Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Snapchat story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that, first of all, go ahead, access your particular Snapchat app. Once you have done so, simply go ahead, create yourself a story and tap on this story option. Now you can see our story has been added. For that, we're simply gonna go ahead, tap over here, and now we will be able to see in the My Story section our story just right over here. So if you would like to delete it, all you have to do is tap on it. Once the story is open, three dot icon on beside, tap on delete snap, tap on delete, and now you can see snap deleted and the story is now gone. If you go back and try and tap on a Bitmoji icon, you won't be able to access your story. Even if you go to here story section, you will find add to my story section option instead of your previous story. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.